Tension erupts at 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 after soldier of 𝐂𝐲 regiment entered private home secretly. State government to permit Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra or not, uncertain. Kuki militants continue gun attack on state force at Moreh. No casualty reported. And Manipur Youth League's long march to conclude with public meeting at MU. Hello Kurumjiri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. A huge tension erupted at 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 in Bishnupur district today after personnel of 𝐂𝐲 regiment were found entering a private home at the village secretly. The personnel of 𝐂𝐲 regiment indiscriminately assaulted youths of the village who revolted the illicit conduct of the personnel. Reports culled from the village said the security personnel who secretly entered a house at 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 Ward number 2 under 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 police station ran away, taking advantage of the darkness last night when the locals questioned their act. When the locals entered the house this morning, they found a personnel of the regiment inside the house. Immediately, the police were informed, and when the police were about to take the army personnel to the police station, troops of 𝐂𝐲 regiment came to the village, triggering massive protest from the villagers. A huge scuffle ensued between the villagers and the personnel of 𝐂𝐲 regiment. After the army personnel was taken to the police station, other personnel of 𝐂𝐲 regiment began indiscriminately assaulting youths of 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 who tried to stop them from forcibly entering the police station. Later, CO of 𝐂𝐲 regiment, police and the village held a dialogue. The villagers protested to ensure befitting action is taken against the personnel who entered the house. The villagers were eventually pacified after the CO assured them of action against the personnel. They also questioned the intention behind the act of the personnel posted there to guard the place, which has been frequently targeted by the Kuki militants. AICC Manipur in charge 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 today arrived at Imphal and met with the Chief Secretary of Manipur to further discuss the inauguration and commencement of Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra and at Hapta Kangjebung and to seek permission for the Yatra. President MPCC MLA 𝐂𝐲𝐰𝐬 Megha, former Deputy Chief Minister 𝐂𝐲𝐰𝐬 and AICC in charge 𝐺𝐤𝐯𝐞 were present during the meeting. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, 𝐺𝐤𝐯𝐞 said Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra should not be politicized. Different leaders of the country will take part and the Yatra will be of great opportunity to the state government to address the current crisis. Stating that the Yatra will show that Manipur is returning back to normalcy, he expressed a desire for the Chief Minister of Manipur to ponder on inclusive welfare of the state and not just himself, and also appealed to not politicize the Yatra.
We have only requested the Chief Secretary and brought to his attention that not to politicize a political Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. So he said the matter is with the Chief Minister. So now we have applied for a long back, we have to do all the preparations and we should get a permission because what we are doing is actually trying to help the government to showcase the world Manipur is getting back to normal with this yatra because all the leaders will be coming from all over the country. And the Chief Secretary said he will communicate to us as soon as possible. He will call our PCC President and he will inform by today evening so that we can. So we are very hopeful that there will be no politics over this yatra.
President of MPCC 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 said many leaders of the country will be taking part in Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra movement, which will start from Imphal on January 14. I beg your pardon. Relevant documents have been submitted to the authority concerned to hold the yatra at Hapta Kangjepung. However, no response has so far been received, he said. Stating that the yatra is not a political one but a peaceful campaign, he informed that the Chief Secretary has also talked with the Chief Minister to reply by today to hold the yatra in Imphal.
Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra ki tang 13 da hogdokadaba India ki tuan ba leaders sing, Chief Minister sing, ex-Chief Minister, Member of Parliament, adagi different leaders, adagi tuan ba state sing ki Union Territory ki laga asauba Shanti ki khongset ama akoi Manipur da January ki tang 13 da hogdokadaba sigi Manipur Sarkar da aikoina Hata Kangjepung Palace Compound sida ground ki permission pinanaba January ki tang ani da aikoina ihiba aduna ground ki permission ji husipa pide numit 7 days ji sure aduna aikoina athuba matamda ground ki permission ji pinanaba hogi Chief Secretary da hogi 𝐶𝐈 Girish Chodankar in charge AICC in charge of Manipur and 𝐶𝐈 Honorable former Deputy Chief Minister, ex-Minister Ratan and the other colleagues of our MPCC. Akoi myam se Chief Secretary da akoi dum masidi yamna afaba peace rally amani masina praja sing even akoi party ki Congress party ki piran bak akoi thoina sinaroi only akoi party ki mayam praja ka loinana shanti ki khongset ama adegi national ki oiba leader mayam ama laaga Manipur sida akoi yamna phaba akoi ki democracy ki samvidhan ki manunga leiba adigumba khongset amane.
After the notorious Kuki militants launched fierce guns and bombs attack against state force at Moreh border town last night, the militants yet again fired several rounds of bullet at state force personnel from the backside of Ellora Hotel, Moreh, around 8:30 a.m. this morning. People of Moreh Bazaar ran helter-skelter as the Kuki militants launched the attack. Fierce gunfight between the state force and the Kuki terrorists took place after the attack. On the other hand, an unexploded bomb was found at Dharamshala clothing market at Moreh this morning. The bomb has been later neutralized and removed from the site by security force personnel. Reports called from the site suggest that the bomb must have been from the attack by Kuki militants against the security force, particularly the state force, around 7 last night. The state security personnel reportedly retaliated, resulting in heavy exchange of firing between the two sides. There, however, has been no report of any injury during the gunfight. Manipur Youth League Mayol's 21-day-long march for national regeneration covering the valley districts of Manipur reached 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 Library Club ground on the 20th day today. The march flagged off from Manipur College. Proceeded towards 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 Library Club ground via Konumamang. Women and mothers of different localities came out to streets to accord a warm welcome and encouraged the marchers. At 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 Club ground, the marchers held a public meeting. Assistant Professor at Nambol L. Sanoy College, Dr. Ningombam Shrima, Social Political Commentator 𝐶𝐄𝐰𝐬, President of Nongpok Lengak Apunbalup Y Mema, author Harishwar Goswami, and Convener of Mayol Assam Prince were the main guests at the meeting. Speaking on the occasion, socio-political commentator 𝐶𝐄𝐰𝐬 said Cabo Valley, Barak Valley and Imphal Valley belonged to Manipur when the then princely state was under the reign of Maharaj Gharib Niwas. Then the erstwhile king of Burma used to pay tax to Manipur. However, now the Kuki militants who illegally infiltrated to Manipur are torturing the Meitei community, 𝐶𝐄𝐰𝐬 said, adding that the Meiteis now cannot go beyond 700 square miles valley. He termed it extremely unfortunate that the Meiteis cannot go beyond Sekmai in the north and Palel in the south. He questioned if the state has come to the brink of extinction that the state left behind by erstwhile King Pamheiba has now been apparently reduced to 700 square miles.
गांधीजीने लुचिंगा दंदी मार्च हरिचे चोट सैतगरा हाइनजु खंगलेनिबो लंबी द मी मैम यक्षलकुदना अखोनी दंदी हबे यो मोहन यो मतमदि ब्रिटिश सरकारना थमुंगमदे मी लिसिंग यांखै हेना सर याय अदबे मतुंदा नन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट की मोम ओइना ब्रिटिशने हेक हाइबा जानिंदबे याथंगि मायोक्ता अखोनी अदुगुब दंदी मार्च मैम चखलपदगी चै तरा थरे चना अदुगी मतुंदा भारत निंतबा फंगे सिने अखोई लॉन्ग मार्च ना तौबिसे हाइबली सगोमदा सुननाइरगा माखोन थोरबुगी मवंगदा मसिना प्रजा सिंह खोइ मै इलगसे मखने सिगा अमु मानना 1933 दा चाइना दा सांगन लॉन्ग मार्च चके किलोमीटर लिसिंग तरा मथै मदन चीना दा रेगुलेशन कन्न तवि मोइ कांगुप अनि मुनरबी अरबा हुजिकी चीनागी लॉन्ग मार्च से आहान दा मी लाख अमा लानी आतने मोइ अदुना खौरी मोइ येनबा नेशनलिस्ट कांगुना ताना नमोइ हात के तबदा स्ट्रेटेजिक रिट्रीट अमोइना मनिंग हल्ला चेनजिदा किलोमीटर लिसिंग तरा चेलिदे मी लाख अमना हौरपन चाइनीज लॉन्ग मार्च से वर्ल्ड गसी फजन रिकॉर्ड लाई
December tangpundagi hawduna chachariba lamsang kusin asi miyamgi mifam achobam mifam National Assembly ama pangthok jaraga hairiba lamsang kusin asigi sindagi thoromadu pangthok jagani maramaduna hairiba miyamgi ba mifam asida miyam punna saruk yaminasi amadi singyada simpangriba iramdam asigi mipum khudimangna tinba matam kya khaidopiraga hairiba mifam asida punna saruk yaminasi haina mayogi maikaidagi nurukchabalina ningsingjari.
Now let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Introducing a newbie challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, gather pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle, sense of wellness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited sets, so grab the opportunity. We also provide specialized classes on main topics like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solution, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More Market, Pauna Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Diabetes ko loy na hinglibasing thamagi manungda control to bangamlay. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hantaba ngamlay. Kung hamanungay tebasu numit manganigi manungda fahan bangamlay. Pile saibadi mungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamlay. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamlay. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oy bangamlay. Fatty liver oy basu thamagi manungda fagadhan bangamlay. Pumnamag natural oy hidak makalna laing jabani. Hakjang na sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi matausu tararoy. Hena kupaparol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. Union Minister of State for External Affairs R.K. Ranjan has backed the centre's plan to fence the India-Myanmar border amid the crisis in Manipur. Calls have been growing to fence long stretches of the over 1,600-kilometer border with the junta-ruled Myanmar that touches Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. The Minister of the State for External Affairs and Education said, "Keeping the borders secure is the nation's prime duty. The western sector is well guarded and fenced. So is mostly the border with Bangladesh. On the Myanmar border, there has been a general view for a long time that the areas have been thriving with people from many communities with little problem," he told the national media yesterday. But the situation today is such that boundary fencing is a must. Everyone in Bharat must keep national security as their first priority. So border fencing should be done before working on border management. Both are separate matters, the MP said. The comment comes days after the centre decided to end the free movement regime, which allows people living close to the India-Myanmar border to visit 16 kilometers into each other's territory without visa. The Manipur government has been asking the centre to end the FMR for the past few months amid the ethnic tensions in the state between the hill majority Kuki tribes and the valley majority Meiteis. 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 Club and 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 stated that people of 𝐋𝐢𝐯 have been guarding the land of Kukis at Gem village since the violence broke out in Manipur and maintained that internally displaced Meiteis will be sheltered in these structures if the government does not take up steps to resettle the IDPs at their own homes. 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 Club and 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 resolved to take up the move in view of hardships facing the IDPs who were driven out of their homes at More, Churachandpur and Meiteis whose their houses have been set ablaze by Kuki militants. The potholes on Wangjing-Tentha Road had been caused serious inconveniences to the commuters and had even caused road accidents. Lamding Educated Welfare Association, Lamding Thoubal District, and Social Cultural Association, Lamding Elangbam Laikai, have expressed gratitude to MLA of Khangabok Assembly Constituency or Suraj Kumar for repairing roads in Tentha Taba Lamding and Sangai Yumpam areas along the national highway on time and alleviating the inconveniences of the people. Situation in the state remained tense but was under control with sporadic firing and congregation of protesters during the last 24 hours between January 6 and 7. As per a report from Manipur Police Control Room, such operations and area dominated were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Imphal West, Thoubal, Imphal East, Kakching and Kangpopi districts. During the operation, 1 SLR, 1 HK-33AR, 1 single-shot muzzle-loading rifle, 2 HE-36 hand grenades, 27.62 SLR rounds, 1 wireless set were recovered from Kangpopi district. The report continued that movement of 177 vehicles along National Highway 2 with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 137 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley. And police detained 267 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Tension erupts at 𝐶𝐷𝐿 after soldier of Kumaon Regiment entered private home secretly. State government to permit Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra or not, uncertain. Kuki militants continue gun attack on state force at More, no casualty reported. And Manipur youth leads a long march to conclude with public meeting at MU. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.